When you hear about an app that gives you early access to your earned wages, the immediate instinct is often a mix of relief and skepticism. We live in a world where hidden fees, complicated sign-up processes, and data security concerns keep many people from taking advantage of financial wellness tools. The problem is clear: waiting 2 weeks for a paycheck when urgent bills or unexpected expenses pop up creates unnecessary financial stress. The underlying fear for most first-time users is getting stuck in a confusing onboarding loop, accidentally linking the wrong bank details, or running into hidden charges that make their financial situation worse. You want to unlock your hard-earned money without jumping through endless technical hoops or risking your security. Setting up the Rain app correctly from day one removes this friction completely. By following a structured process, you can verify your account, link your employer's payroll system smoothly, and safely access your earnings on demand. The setup process begins right at the download stage. Search for the official Rain Instant Pay application on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. To protect your financial security, double-check the developer name to ensure you are downloading the genuine app rather than a third-party clone. Once installed, launch the app to begin the account creation phase. Your initial step requires entering the basic personal information associated with your place of employment. Rain operates primarily through employer partnerships, meaning your account links directly to your company's HR and payroll records. Input your official mobile number and primary email address. A common mistake here is using a personal phone number or email that does not match what your employer has on file. Always use the exact contact details provided to your HR department to allow automated systems to identify your profile immediately. Next, you will encounter the multi-factor authentication step. Rain will send a verification code via text message or email. Enter this code into the prompt to establish a secure session. Once your contact info is validated, you will be prompted to create a strong password or enable biometric login options like Face ID or fingerprint authentication. Enabling biometrics is highly recommended because it adds a robust layer of device-level security while making future logins instant and hassle-free. After securing your credentials, the app moves to employer verification. Search for your employer's name in the built-in directory. If your company partners with Rain, selecting it will trigger an integration prompt. Depending on your employer's setup, you may be asked to input your employee ID number or log in directly using your work credentials via a single sign-on portal. This verification confirms your active employment status, your current pay rate, and your accumulated working hours. Once your identity and employment are confirmed, you must configure your payout method. This is where your earned wages will be sent when you make a transfer request. You have two main choices: linking an existing external bank account using a secure integration service like Plaid, or linking a direct deposit debit card. When connecting a bank account, select your financial institution from the provided list and log in using your online banking credentials. This establishes a secure link to deposit funds directly into your checking account. Ensure that the checking account you select is active and in good standing to avoid return transfers. After connecting your deposit account, review the terms of service and authorization disclosures carefully. Rain provides transparency regarding how earned wage access works, how transfers are calculated, and how deductions are handled on your standard payday. When you request an advance on your earned wages, that amount is automatically reconciled on your next regular paycheck through your employer's payroll system, ensuring you never borrow more than you have actually earned. With your setup complete, you reach the main dashboard. Here, you will see a real-time display of your available earnings based on the hours you have already worked during the current pay period. To test your setup and ensure everything functions smoothly, review your profile settings, confirm your notification preferences for transaction updates, and take a moment to explore the transfer interface so you know exactly how to execute a transaction when an emergency arises.